and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can search in Pinterest without having like an account. As you can see, if you go to like pinterest.com, you can't like select the search button. So what you're actually going to do is you're going to go to Google for that. So you're going to just go to Google and then you're going to type in what you want to search for in Pinterest. For instance, like pasta, and then add in the keyword Pinterest after that. And then here you can actually then like view like recipes from Pinterest without having to search it up. Here you can actually search it up once you're in this page, but you make sure to open it up first. Oh, Carrie, apparently I just logged in. But you can do it just on like Google, and then you can open it up and you'll have these options. That looks so good right now. I'm actually super hungry. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!